Happy Halloween, everybody! Today is October 31st. It is the final and last day of October. It is Halloween, and this is my almost last Halloween tutorial that I'll be posting here on YouTube. I still have my Corpse Bride tutorial to put up, and then also a tutorial I did for my Michael Myers look. If you haven't seen either of those, go check out my Instagram or my Facebook page, and you will see those looks on there. But for today, we are doing a super glam mummy. I am using these makeup brushes from Witchwood Bags. They make super cute bags, hats, belts, and now makeup brushes, and they say morbidly inclined on them. This palette also is super cute. It's a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired palette called This Is Halloween. This is from Rose Glam Boutique. I had to get my hands on it. Oh my gosh, it is so cute and the pigment is amazing. So we're going for a very green look today. I've been wanting to do a super glam mummy for years now, and this year I said I cannot let October get past me without doing a glam mummy because I want to do it so bad. So I covered my brows because, well, I don't know if a mummy would have brows, but I didn't want them, so just covered them. Lately, it's been honestly easier covering them than filling them in. I hate doing my brows. I don't know if anyone else hates it too, but I really hate it. I'm taking the glitter in this palette called Oogie Boogie, and I mixed it with a little glitter glue, and I'm just popping it on. Look at how stunning that glitter is. Oh my god. That's right, y'all. I went ahead and did both of my eyes. Oh, yes. And we're going to go ahead and do some liner. So I'm taking this pigment from P. Louise, and I am putting it down as my base for my liner. I'm just creating a nice thick line, blending it into the black, and then packing on that green shade that we used that goes up to my eyebrows, the lighter green, and I'm packing that on top of the pigment just for a green liner because we're going to be doing green lashes today. Moving on to my base, I'm taking my new Huda Beauty Jelly Hydrating Primer. I'm really obsessed with this. It's very lightweight, feels like water, honestly. And I'm using this super cute Frankenstein sponge from N Glam Beauty, and also my new Huda Beauty Faux Filter Stick Foundations. I'm using Shortbread first, and then I'm using Angel Food in the center of my face, just to brighten it up a little bit, and make sure that the center of my face is bright. Then I went ahead and put some concealer on as well. I'm just blending that out. I wanted to be super pasty because mummies are dead, right? So I need to be really dead looking. And I also set my face with powder. I'm going in with two Lunatic Cosmetic Labs palettes, Volume 1 and Volume 2. And I'm doing a normal contour, but kind of trying to make my cheeks look more sunken in. And then I start going in and really defining the cheekbones so they look very hollowed out. I just kind of make the top edge of that contour really sharp and then blend it downwards so it makes me look like I have sunken in cheeks and not big chubby cheeks. I also do some little sunken in areas around my temples to kind of mimic the way a skull looks, like the skull's coming, you know, the skin's sinking onto the skull and there's no more flesh inside there, like muscle, whatever, you know what I mean. I also did some really bad bags underneath my eyes and took a ColourPop Hocus Pocus liner, put it in my waterline, and smoked it out with those green shades. I'm taking this white shade right here called Zero. It has a little shimmer in it, and I'm using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, my eyebrow bone, my nose. I also put it on my cheeks just a little bit, but it didn't show up as well as it did everywhere else. Adding a little liner on the inner corner there with my NYX Hella Fine That's the Point liner. And then I'm using these lashes. These are from Rose Glam Boutique as well, the same ones who made the This Is Halloween palette. And these are the lashes in style Beetlejuice. They are green. So cute. Popped them on. I also tight lined my upper lash line. And then I popped on my wig and my costume. So cute! I'm using my LA Splash Cosmetics Classic Horror liquid lipstick in the shade Monster. It's just this kind of olivey green lipstick. Teased my hair a little bit more, and that is it for this tutorial. You guys, thank you so much for watching this month. I really appreciate you. I took a break last year from October, but this year I came back with a vengeance, and I hope you enjoyed every look I did because I had so much fun. We're going to be going back into normal glam looks starting this month, November. So thank you all for all of your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.